What's up, YouTube? Welcome once again to the show of the century that is Rafi's Audio. Now, have you ever recorded vocals or dialogue for hours only later to listen back and realize that what you actually recorded was 1, the sound of speakers exploding, 2, a hissing animal, or 3, a homeless person chewing on a rubber tire? Well, today, we're gonna fix that. First thing we're gonna do is talk about plosives. So plosives are simply a phenomenon that occurs whenever we speak a consonant like a letter P. So what happens is it creates a strong puff of air that causes distortion in your microphone. You can actually feel it if you put your hand up to your mouth and say P. Now, sibilance just refers to some of those high frequency components of sound that occur when we record the S or the sh sound. Now, the reason this happens is because we force air through our teeth to make those sounds, and it can get overemphasized in the recording or by effects. So the last thing on our list is mouth clicks and lip smack. Now, this is primarily an issue of a dry mouth. And hydration is the obvious solution, but sometimes we miss that opportunity to tell our artists to jump in a lake. So, when that happens, we have some tools at our disposal that can help after the fact. On to solutions. One of the things you can do for plosives is simply get a pop filter. You stop that plosive at the source. Next thing to consider is just rolling off that low end. Finally, consider investing in a deep plosive plugin, like something offered by Isotope. So for sibilance, some of our tools include microphone placement. One technique is to simply hang your microphone upside down, slightly above the vocalist, with the diaphragm pointed at the vocalist's mouth. What this is going to do is keep that microphone out of the direct blast of those sibilant sounds. Another thing to consider is using a moving coil dynamic mic. These are more robust and don't react as dramatically to those sibilant sounds. And finally, you can consider getting a de-esser plugin. Now, these are a type of compressor that apply to those high frequency sibilant sounds. Alright, mouth noises. So first things first, offer your artist some water or some warm tea. Now, if you end up recording some of those clicks and mouth pops, you can consider getting a declicker plugin. Most DAWs have them built in already, but you can consider third-party options, like those from Isotope. I'm not sponsored by Isotope, by the way. Isotope, I would love it if you did, though. And that's all we got for today, folks. I really hope these tips helped. Remember to let me know in the comments. Like, comment, share, subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next week. Sibilant Solutions, take 2. Pop filter. Pop filter. Overemphasize.